Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change BMW X3 wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off. Then, gently lift the wiper arm until it stands upright and locks into place, preventing it from snapping back. Now, look closely at the wiper blade where it connects to the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Once you've located the release tab, press it firmly. This action will unlock the old wiper blade from its connection point. With the tab pressed, carefully slide the entire blade assembly downwards, away from the wiper arm hook. Always maintain a firm grip on the wiper arm to prevent it from accidentally falling and potentially damaging your windshield. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards along the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Before lowering the arm, give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. After installing both new blades, it's a good idea to test them. Turn on your ignition and activate the wipers with some windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively. This confirms proper installation and immediate functionality. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.